Hello and welcome to the adventure of Saru. Today we are heading to the stunning slope of Mount Rohr. In this video, I will take you along for an unforgettable journey through winding forest trail, serene alpine meadows, the beautiful Rohr Lake, vast boulder field, and up to jaw-dropping viewpoints that will leave you speechless. And I will share everything you need to know if you're planning to hike Mount Rohr. So without further ado, let's jump right into it.
The Mount Rohr today. And
Yep.
It's
Gonna
about
be beautiful, never been.
yeah.
And
It's about
Mary, Sophie, and Betty.
Yeah, we lost some of our friends, but
Yeah,
we'll
okay.
see if we can
First time
find
for
them.
everyone.
See them on the other side of the mountain.
Mount Rohr is about 16 kilometers with the 1200 meter elevations, but since we are at the parking number 3, we have already covered almost 1.2 kilometers. So that
I
lessen up
wouldn't
the
recommend going to the third.
yeah. Don't go to
Parking
the
lot.
third. It's
If you don't have high clearance, definitely not recommended.
yeah. So I think the parking 2 is also very close to the third one, so it's not worth going to the third parking. Yeah. Let's start.
All of us.
Yeah, so the Rohr Lake is at like 3.5 kilometer marks, and since we did came across off road and parked around 1.2 kilometer into the trail, that shortened our distance, and now it's almost 2.5 kilometer, and we're gonna be almost there soon. And so far the trail is mostly flat, and I think it's gonna be moderately steep after some times until Rohr Lake. But I think after the lake, they're supposed to be a bit inclined toward the Mount Rohr. So yeah, let's see. Some of the section in the trail are quite muddy, so make sure you have a proper shoes for the trail.
Tell, very muddy here.
Yeah.
Did you
Yeah, find the
record
right
that you're
path.
doing
Try to
360 in
go
your
this way and
360?
see.
Look, my shoes are red.
Right now I'm just doing one way.
Follow Trevor.
Is
Follow
better,
Trevor.
no?
Follow Trevor.
Yeah, I guess.
You'll be near that situation.
Got it?
Yeah, some parts are very deep. Be careful. Very steep.
All right, we are close to the lake,
Gotta be up there.
and the trail is starting to open up now. What do you think?
We're almost at the lake. I can hear it. Where? It might be up there.
No, the lake.
The lake might be up there.
We are close to the lake. All right, so finally we are at the Rohr Lake after 1 hour 40 minutes. We took plenty of rest, and we were at like slow pace. So
The lake is that side.
Yeah, the lake is on over there. The water is fabulous. It looks so calm.
alright, so now we are heading to the Mount Rohr from the lake, and we lost one drone and gained 4 friends.
Oh, we were waiting there for
Gotta think positive.
Yeah. Well,
a few minutes.
Trevor's drones got drowned in the lake, but our lost friend made it back to the group. So we'll see on the way back if it's sunny.
We avoided.
Then
Next time.
maybe we can
Not in the last
swim down under the lake and retrieve the drone. I have asked Trevor for like 50 subscribers for retrieval, so I will go swim down the lake and retrieve his drone, and he will promise to give me like 50 subscribers.
Well, I will subscribe.
Got one.
Excluding this group, because I'm already this group I'm already expecting to subscribe. And by the way, guys, if you're watching and are having fun, please subscribe as well. you know, like how about we do one other things? Alright, well, so we have covered so far 6.2 kilometer.
Yeah, 6.2.
Yeah. And 2 more kilometers left before the summit. And how is the temperature?
Pretty good, actually. Not too bad at all.
Yeah.
1 degrees.
Okay, that was a
Okay, no
walkie-talkie. But yeah, the temperature is good. The hike itself is not that difficult, I would say, as compared to, like, you know, the elevations. It's very nice, and the surroundings are very serene.
A lot of boulder fields here.
Yeah. We haven't encountered any other group or people so far in this trail, so
Oh, and we managed to find our group of people, our 4 lost ones.
yeah.
So at the lake, we saw them coming up.
Yeah, we did find
So
our
that's awesome.
own people. So 4 more subscribers. And with that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe so that it helps me motivate, make more of these videos and content so that you can enjoy. And with that, we're gonna keep going, head toward Mount Rohr. A little bit challenging from elevation perspective, but there are plenty of water.
The peak ahead of you, that's called Saru.
Yeah. The real Rohr mountain is actually behind the peak that you will see from here. This is called the false summit, but the true summit will be behind the mountain.
peak. That's the peak.
Yeah, we weren't lying about far summits.
Right?